Your kids can learn so much about the world online, but how do you get them interested? In this video, we will explore ways to teach your kids to travel the world without leaving home. We'll start online, they'll take over your kitchen temporarily, and in the end, there may be a chance to meet people in faraway places. So stick around. My name is Brenda. I'm a specialist in cultural diversity. On this channel, we make videos to show you how to explore culture in ways that make your life more fun and more fascinating. So let's get started. Which country would your kids love to visit right now? You can turn choosing a country into an engaging project by asking your kids to make a top 10 list and then having them explain why they've made these choices. This is just a way to kick off the project and get them excited to dive in and visit their target country online. Now it's time to plan the itinerary. Which cities would they like to visit? Which sites would they like to see? Where do they want to stay? Which restaurants would they like to eat in? The more detailed this itinerary is, the more life lessons you can squeeze from it. By creating an itinerary, your kids can learn how to plan a trip. They can learn a lot about budgeting for a trip, and then they can use this itinerary to explore maps and learn about the geography and even the climate in the places that they would like to visit. I've written an article with plenty of ideas for using this itinerary to teach your kids all kinds of great lessons. Either you found this video inside the article, or if you found us on YouTube, then look at the description below and I'll leave you a link. And now it's time to go sightseeing, finally. There are so many amazing documentaries, videos, even virtual tours online. But how do you decide which ones your kids are going to like? Why not let them figure that out? That's another great project that they can do, is looking for the best videos, the best material, the best virtual tours for whatever it is they want to see along the way. Again, check the article that goes with this video for more ideas. Time to explore the food, and here's a challenge for your kids. Inspire them to eat the diet of their destination country for one day. YouTube is a great source of cooking videos by native chefs from around the world. Let your kids prepare authentic cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner just for one day. What would it be like to eat that cuisine every day? Encourage your kids to explore the contemporary music scene in their chosen country. What are kids their age listening to? Which songs are hot? Which groups are at the top of the charts? How is the music there different from the music that they listen to here? Finally, how can your kids meet real people in their chosen country so they can ask more questions and learn more? There are a variety of ways to do this, and in the article that goes with this video, I explain a variety of ways that kids can safely connect with other kids around the world. One option is hosting an exchange student. An exchange student has been vetted by an agent in their home country, and the exchange is supervised by a coordinator in your local area. An exchange student can be your children's native guide to the country they are exploring online. And the best part is they can start connecting the minute you're approved to host. Real travel is amazing. Wouldn't it be wonderful to take your kids on a trip around the world, sailing or backpacking? But that's not always convenient, practical, or even possible. But don't let that stop you. Teach your kids how to travel online, and especially teach them how to make their online travels come to life. Happy travel! And now it's your turn. Which countries would your kids love to visit? Please leave us a comment below. We would love to hear about your experiences and any tips or advice you have for other parents wishing to teach their kids how to travel online.